Hi, this is final video on inverse Laplace transform properties. So sixth property, L inverse of f of s by s. So for that simply we need to find L inverse for the f of s. Corresponding to this we need to integrate the answer with respect to time, and the limit is 0 to t. For the example, L inverse of 1 by s into s minus 2. So first we need to find L inverse for this 1 by s minus 2. So instead of 1 by s we need to integrate. So L inverse of 1 by s minus 2 into dt 0 to t. So L inverse of s minus 2 is e power 2t into dt. Integration of e power 2t is e power 2t by 2. While applying the limit, final answer is 1 by 2 e power 2t minus 1. So seventh property, derivative property, applicable for denominator of the given function is the square of a quadratic form. So L inverse of, we take L inverse of given function as f dash of s is equal to minus t L inverse of f of s. So this is the one of the example, L inverse of s by s squared plus 4 the whole square. This is quadratic form. So for that we need to take given function as f of s. From that we need to find given function is f dash. From that we need to find f of s. F of s is nothing but integration of f dash. So here substitute, take a x squared plus 4 is equal to x. While differentiating this 2s dx equal to dx, we need only s ds. S ds is dx by 2. So replace all the x by s by x value. So dx by 2 divided by x squared, take 1 by 2 outside, dx by x squared. Again integration of dx by x squared is minus 1 by x. So finally x is replaced by s squared plus 4. So now by the above property, L inverse of s into s divided by s squared plus 4 the whole square is equal to minus t into L inverse of f of s. So simply put this value here. So finding L inverse, take minus 1 by 2. Here one minus t is there, minus t is there, minus minus cancel. So take 2 outside. So t by 2 L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. In the numerator we need to have 2. So for that multiply and divide by 2. So t by 4 L inverse of 2 by s square plus 2 square is sin 2t. So next 8th property, property for logarithmic and inverse trigonometric function. So take the given function as f of s. If the f of s is logarithmic or inverse trigonometric, so we need to use this property. First take the derivative for the given function and find the inverse for that derivative and simply multiply by minus 1 by t. Example, L inverse of cot inverse of s plus 1. Let given function as f of s. Find a derivative. Cot inverse of s is nothing but 1 by 1 plus s square. So here minus 1 by s plus 1 the whole square plus 1. So first find the inverse for this one. So here simply s is replaced by s plus 1. So e power minus t. While removing this plus 1 by s square plus 1. Answer for this one is sin t. So finally for the given function Laplace, simply multiply minus 1 by t. Multiply corresponding to this answer with minus 1 by t. Minus minus cancel, final answer e power minus t sin t by t. Then this is important two properties used in direct question in TRB and GATE exams. First 9th one, convolution of two function. If f of s, f of t and g of t are given function, then convolution of f of t and g of t is defined as. This is the convolution symbol. So first t is replaced by u, second t is replaced by t minus u du under lower limit 0 to t. Then convolution theorem, Laplace transform of f of t convolution g of t is nothing but product of individual Laplace transform function. And also convolution of two function is commutative, that is f of t convolution g of t is equal to g of t convolution f of t. One example for using convolution theorem and convolution of two function. So we need to find L inverse of s by s squared plus a squared the whole squared using convolution theorem. So for that I substitute by s squared plus a squared into 1 by s squared plus a squared. And by using the convolution theorem, we can separate L inverse of s by s squared plus a squared convolution L inverse of 1 by s squared plus a squared. For this we have cos at. For this we need to have a in the numerator. For that multiply and divide by a. So 1 by a into sin at. So now we need to perform convolution of these two functions. So first function t is replaced by u. Second function t is replaced by t minus u into du under lower limit 0 to t. So take 1 by a outside, cos au, and multiply a inside, so at minus au into du. So already we know the formula, cos a sin b is equal to 1 by 2a sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Use this formula. This is a, this angle is b, so 1 divided by this 2, here 2 only 2. So already here a is there, 1 divided by 2a 0 to t. This is sin a plus b term, this is sin a minus b term. So here this au and minus au cancel, here au plus au become 2au. Then integrate with respect to u. So here this term is constant, simply multiply inside means here we have du. Integration of du become u. So integration of this term become, integration of sin become minus. So already we have minus become plus, cos of 2au minus at divided by 2a 0 to t. While applying the limit and cancel these two terms, finally answer is 1 by 2a t into sin at. Next video will be on previously asked questions like TRB and gate from Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. Thanks.